Okay, so this is managing packages with Node Package Manager or NPM part 1. So how to use package.json. So we'll click into that. Already have your Replit account started. You can just click on this, and as long as you have a Replit account already open and started, it'll allow you to clone the GitHub repo and then bring it into Replit. So they basically tell you exactly what you need to paste in. So we'll grab this, copy, and then over here. So we want to go to our package.json, and right here, you can paste this in, right? Make sure you have your double quotes for this JSON data, and just change the author to whoever you would like so. And then you'll see if you run it though, it throws an error. So module not found. So what you can do is npm install express, enter. Okay. And then wait while it's loading. You can see the loading bar here. All right, so now that that's installed and done correctly, so you'll notice the Express was already one of the dependencies here, so it should have been included, but then it seems like you have to install it here. So now if we run it, all right, so it'll no longer throw an error. You can see the HTML. So it is strange, but yeah, right here, even though it says Express is already a dependency, you have to use the Node Package Manager to install it. Otherwise, it won't pass. From there, now that you have your author data, you can grab this, go back here, paste it in, and it's completed. All right, so then you go to the next one. So same deal. They tell you exactly what you need to add. So you can grab this. So this is your description. So copy. We'll go in here. And all this is being added to package.json. Paste this in. Say a project that does something. You can say whatever you want here. So we'll say amazing. Stop this. And then if you're still running off the code for the previous challenge, Express will still be installed correctly. But if you start it brand new, Express will throw an error. You'll have to use the npm install command to install Express again, so it won't work. So it's better if you can to just kind of go off of the previous code that you already have. So this is the third part. So they're basically feeding you exactly the JSON data that it needs. In this case, this is an array, and they have a specific keyword they want you to use. And so you can just kind of go down the line, grabbing the code that they give you. But in this case, it's a little bit different. So we'll say freeCodeCamp since that's required. All right, and then you can stop it, let it run again. So it'll be listening on port 3000. All right, grab our link, copy, and overall it just makes it a lot easier to do all this in one go versus starting starting and stopping, because if you do start up a new instance of Replit, it won't, it'll have you install Express again over and over. So it's easier to just kind of add in the lines they want you to add in. In this case, they're showing you how to use the license description, and you can continue to grab these live links and it'll scan it and pass it like so. All right, and then now we get into versioning. So you can add your version, and they make this very easy because you don't really have to mess with doing the double quotes or anything like that. You can just copy and paste it, pull it in, whatever version you might be running. All right, like so. And it can be any version you want. It doesn't matter. It'll pass it. And then here is where it gets a little bit more difficult. So it has to be version 2.14.0. So we'll do that in the next video.